Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another Beer of the Week, hosted by yours truly, Andy. So we have a special German Oktoberfest episode for everyone today. So welcome to our special German edition. We have for you today, we're not in Germany, but we have a special German beer. Oh, wait, we don't even have a German beer. Threw you a curveball. So what do we have for you? We have the Junction Blood Orange Sour. Junction Craft Brewing, absolutely adore it. You gotta go if you haven't been in what's known as the Stockyards area of the Junction. They do IPAs, Pilsners, as well as sours. We got some actual blood orange juice that's inserted into this particular sour. Not too strong, but super divine. But I already know how delightfully fruity and effervescent it will be. So take a look at that beautiful, gorgeous blood orange sour. Just off the bat, it comes off very, it smells almost like ginger ale. Get those really nice, citrusy, fruity smells. You can really smell the orange. Who would have thunk it? So let's go ahead and take a sip of this. Yeah. Yes, that is nothing short of divine. It's really, really nice. Definitely love those fruity flavors. I myself, I'm a fruity boy. I love adding some unique fruit flavors to beer. The Germans, believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, they wouldn't even consider this to be beer because their legislation dating back to the Reinheitsgebot in 1516 that stated, well, beer could not include any additional ingredient. So this does have blood orange juice to it. So in Germany, you can't even call this a beer. But hey, we're not in Germany, are we? Ladies and gentlemen, I hope in whatever capacity you can, you're enjoying some form of Oktoberfest, whether it be some virtual events or if your community is doing anything whatsoever, or maybe just sitting back and enjoying a lovely German-style lager. And remember, craft beer is here. Prost.